My name is Alexander. I am from Russia. I'm studying economics at a joint bachelor program of Higher School of Economics and New Economic School. I really appreciate that we had 1 week at HEC and 1 week at EHL because it was completely different experiences. Here at EHL, mostly on every class we have some kind of a group work. In my university, we don't have much of it. In the beginning, I was not familiar with the majority of brands because I'm not very typical customer, for sure. I didn't understand how Bulgari is different from Tiffany and etc. etc. I think that in HEC the program was more focused about luxury. Here it's more focused on hospitality, on hotel management and skills related to it. We had basically one program, but it was felt like 2 programs. Well, the first impression was wow. It's so beautiful, so luxurious, and food is really good. Everything is really good. I think it's just wow. We visited Lausanne Palace. It's a 5-star hotel in Lausanne, and general manager of that hotel said that you should never say no to customer. So if customer has a request for you, even if it's not possible to do it, you should not say no, but find a way to somehow smooth it, surpass it, but not say directly that you can't. And about luxury management is that you should not oversell your product. If you have a very expensive product, very well known, but you sell it a lot, it's not luxury anymore.